Hello and welcome to Everything Dance. I'm your mentor, Dancing Dawn. This is your go-to site for all dance subjects and styles and all other related topics, from beginner to professional, and dance teaching qualifications.
Tap workout V. 4 drop shuffle changes. Flap, pick up, flap, toe. 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 4 stamp pick up ball changes. And 4 times double foot stomp, double foot pick up. Stomp, pick up, stomp, pick up, stomp, pick up, stomp, pick up. Don't forget, if you don't know how to do any of these steps, look in the links below and also on other videos on my tap playlist. Also remember, you can play your own music as fast or slow as you like depending on your ability, or start off with slower music and then faster music when you've really got it for a really good full workout. The music I use is always listed below, but of course you could use any music you like or 4/4 timing. You can always leave out the second flap for an easier workout. Tap workout W. Now you can play around with this with the amount of times you do each thing. I'm going to start with more and then reduce. So let's say for the first round, I'm going to start with 8 springs. 8 tap springs. 8 ripples. Again, if you don't know how to do these, look in the links below in my tap videos for full explanation. And then, however many you've been doing, you reduce by half for tap step will changes. So as I've been doing 8, I'm going to do 4 tap step will changes, however you want to do them. Of course, all those steps you could travel or turn to make it something more of a directional workout. Perhaps do them straight the first time and then maybe turn or travel the second time. Now I'm going to halve the amount of all those things. So we'll start at the beginning, but this time 4 springs, 4 tap springs, 4 ripples, and then half the amount, so this time 2 tap step will changes. Of course, you could keep them all at the first amount or all at the second amount, or start with the more and then the less, and maybe even reduce it still. It's up to you. So have fun with it, play around with it, and don't forget, include arm changes with each step. If you're more advanced, keep your arms moving through different directions, particularly when you do everything 8 times, such as the 8 springs. You could be opening the arms up above your head or out to the front. So a good one to play around with, nice and simple for total beginners, and each time you do it, make changes either in number or direction or arms. Let's try with some music.